Hey, how you doing? Mike, Innovative Garage Door. We're going to show you 18 by 7 and 9 by 7 Desert Tan, 3200 by Hörmann. We got the regular standard raised panel here, clip corners with the weather strip to match, horseshoe bottom astragal, the Hörmann badge down there at the bottom. Obviously that's the 18 by, and this is the 9 by. Yeah, let's open up here and just show you real quick. These doors are 2 inches thick. Like I said, they do carry the T astragal, 3.5 inch when you lay it flat. The doors are sandwich steel, so we got a white finish on the inside and high cycle springs. All 3200s do carry 11 gauge hardware and the nylon ball wheel. 18-foot door has 2 18-foot 3-inch struts. 9-foot door has 1 2-inch 9-foot strut. For all your garage door needs, call Innovative Door. These also are 8.9 R value, raised insulated R value for keeping your garage nice and toasty. So for all your insulated garage door needs, 3200 Desert Tan, it's a nice new color, newer color. Call Innovative Door, 630-271-9343, www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. 650 Ogden is the headquarters. Thanks for watching our 18 by 7 and 9 by 7 Desert Tan pinch resistant 3200 Hörmann garage door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord.